We are people of the universe.
Wieso ist es auch noch ein wenig safe weg von den Leuten, was wäre hier nahe ran? Andy!
Hey Kamera, uns ziehen an, bist unter Rekord, ist gut, bin ich drauf, bin ich ganz drauf, bin ich richtig nahe, bin ich richtig.
Jetzt kommst du im Fernsehen, kannst du.
Nein, die ganze Zeit, ich habe euch gesagt,
Jetzt sind wir im Fernsehen.
Das ist cool, Mann. Cool. Er kommt im Fernsehen,
Cool,
mein Finger auch.
TV.
Ja, mein Finger auch. Deine? Jetzt hast du dich erst gerade rausgenommen, das Telefon. Das ist meine Mineralquelle für heute. Da trinken wir. Da Zapfstupfen ist auf der anderen Seite. Vom Ried kann er besser aufnehmen.
Hi, I'm Professor Moore, Director of the Institute for Theoretical Physics at the University of Zurich. Welcome to this lovemobile. This is the Milk 67 and Professor Moore's Big Bang truck. Work still in progress. The aim here is to fuse together physics and music and give the people in the street parade a show demonstrating some spectacular effects that are incorporated into our music. Idea is also to promote science at the university, to show that there is more to standing around in white coats and doing experiments, but we think about the universe. Our research in the Physics Institute is about trying to understand how the universe formed, the origin of the universe, the origin of stars, planets, how did the Earth form, to the large-scale structure in the universe. What is the future of the universe? And then there are very deep questions like, what is dark matter, what is dark energy? Some of these questions we're incorporating into the effects on the truck, such as the lights on the top representing a particle accelerator crashing together beams of protons. Then we have the Tesla coil, which is a 1,000,000 volts lightning generating machine. But not only does it generate sparks of lightning, we can tune those sparks to actually give off music. So we're incorporating high voltage electricity into the show, generating music. Also on the truck we have a laser harp, which is a very powerful beam of light that we hope is visible in daylight, and this controls the sound of the music. There's a detector that picks up the signal in two-dimensional space, and we can convert that into a MIDI signal, and this is then fed back into the music system. Also, I'm looking forward to playing the guitar live with the band Milk 67. We have a 1-hour set in the middle, so it's time to have some live rock-style guitar in the street parade. I think it's going to be a great mix.
oder noch kein Krampf?
Nein, ich mag noch.
Langsam ab. Gut, Pass. Ab.
Was not nice for the